Welcome back. You're watching the breaking news show right here on CNN News 18. We take you now to a story we've been covering over the last few days. As the rollout of GST 2.0 approaches, manufacturers are closely watching for changes. CNN News 18's Arunma now brings you this report on GST 2.0 and its impact on apparel manufacturers in specific. Take a look.
For years, manufacturers in sectors like fertilizer, electronics and textile have been stuck in an inverted duty structure, which meant they paid higher taxes for their inputs, for their raw material compared to their finished product. This made working capital restricted, locked up their cash inflow and made goods in this sector generally less competitive globally. With GST 2.0 being rolled out, will all of this change? We are at an apparel unit to find out.
Richlook, an apparel manufacturing unit, is bracing for September 22nd. The production floor is buzzing with activity as rolls of fabric are scrutinized for defects, cut into pieces and shaped into premium menswear. So far, manufacturers like Richlook added to the price. 5% GST for shirts and trousers up to 1,000 rupees, 12% for 1,000 to 2,000 and 18% beyond that. Come September 22nd, the slabs will be reduced to 5% for all shirts, trousers, jeans up to 2,500 rupees and 18% for products costing more than that. The change slab would mean passing on 7% tax benefits to the consumer.
जो ओवरऑल ग्लोबल कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस है भारतीय टेक्सटाइल सेक्टर की, जो कपड़े आप बनाते हैं, ये जीएसटी 2.0 के आने से आपको लगता है कि इंटरनेशनली कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस बढ़ जाएगी?
बढ़ भी जाएगी और हमारे हिंदुस्तान को बहुत बेनिफिट होगा। जैसे मोदी जी का सपना भी है कि हम अपनी कंजम्पशन को बढ़ाएं और इंपोर्ट कम करें, तो वही सिस्टम के अकॉर्डिंग हमने जो जीएसटी कम किया है और उससे हमारे देश को बहुत बेनिफिट होगा।
The concern over refund of additional tax paid on raw material exists across the manufacturing sector, something that the government acknowledges.
किसी ने हायर रेट पर यदि खरीद लिया और लोअर रेट अब उसको चार्ज करना पड़ेगा, तो उसका कैपिटल का क्या होगा? नॉर्मल कोर्स में वो इनपुट क्रेडिट उसका मिल जाता है, इनकम टैक्स में रिफंड मिलता है। तो जब नोटिफिकेशन निकलेगा, उस नोटिफिकेशन से ये स्पष्ट होगा कि इस प्रकार के जो मामले हैं उनका ट्रीटमेंट कैसे किया जाएगा। लेकिन एक बात जो मैं कह सकता हूँ कि नुकसान इसमें किसी को भी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि सरकार की कोई मंशा किसी को नुकसान करने की नहीं है, सबको फायदा देने की है।
While the consumer is counting down to September 22nd, the manufacturers are keeping their fingers crossed. The upcoming festival and marriage season and greater affordability makes this sector hopeful of overall growth spurt that could help the manufacturing sector reach the $350 billion target by 2030.